Okay, let's get real for a second. You've watched Squid Game, right? Those guards with their creepy masks and jumpsuits look cool at first. But trust me, being a Squid Game guard is not the dream job, it seems. In fact, it straight up sucks, and here's why. First off, you lose your identity completely. Your name, gone. Your face, covered. You're literally just a shape on a mask circle, triangle, or square. That's it. You're no longer a person, just another disposable worker. Imagine living every single day like that, with no way to express yourself, no individuality, no freedom. You're just there to follow orders. And guess what? If you mess up, well, we'll get to that in a second. Let's talk about what happens if you make a mistake. You drop your gun? Dead. You try to help a contestant? Dead. You accidentally sneeze in the wrong moment? Probably dead. The rules are so strict. It's impossible not to live in constant fear. These guards are just as trapped as the players. The only difference? They're wearing a mask and holding a gun. One wrong move, and you're done. Now think about the job itself. These guards have to do everything. Managing the games, cleaning up after every gruesome round, moving bodies, it's all on them. And they don't get a break. Like, ever. And let's not forget about the boss. The front man. This guy doesn't joke around. He's always watching, always listening, and he's terrifying. Imagine having a boss who never sleeps and is just waiting for you to mess up. There's no way you can relax when someone like that is breathing down your neck. It's like living under a microscope 24/7. And here's the part that really gets me. The moral weight of being a guard. You're forced to watch people get killed in these twisted games, and sometimes you're the one pulling the trigger. Even if you don't believe in what's happening, you can't do anything about it. How do you sleep at night knowing you're part of something so horrific? You don't, that's the truth. You're stuck in a system that's designed to break everyone, guards included. And let's be real, do you think these guys are making good money? I doubt it. We never see their paychecks, but it's hard to imagine they're living the high life. They don't even get time off, let alone a raise. So yeah, being a Squid Game guard might look mysterious and cool, but in reality it's one of the worst jobs ever. No freedom, constant stress, terrifying bosses, and you're part of something morally awful. It's a nightmare, plain and simple. Thanks for sticking around, and let me know in the comments. What's another movie or TV job you'd never want to have? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time.